Good morning. It is currently, well, my watch is like stopped, so I don't know what time it is. Fantastic. Coffee, oh, that's too hot, but we will be getting into that. All right, guys, my last video I hauled unboxed the Wet n Wild brushes. We're going to use those today in a full face and see how they actually do. I played around with them yesterday. Here's that bracelet I'm giving away. There is a few days left on this till the 15th. I will leave that video down below. You will be winning this Cartier style bracelet, and it's US only. Just follow the instructions in that video and you'll be entered to win. Alright, let's get to it because I gotta go work. I'm grabbing my drenching quench. Let me turn my mirror. Ooh, my mirrors need to be clean. That was enough for the whole face, pretty much. Because this kind of melts down. Still adjusting here. Alright. And I'm going to grab the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. Really kind of around the nose. And look, I'm using Real Techniques today, not my pink sponge. Okay, and I'm going to use what I've been using, my little concoction of the CoverGirl Smoothers. Pretty good size little drop of that. Teeny. And then one teeny tiny drop of my Fenty Beauty. And that's it. That's probably actually more than I needed. I've not done anything with my hair yet, so I've got to go in there and do something with my hair. Just kind of move it around and then pat it. I slept good last night, guys. The other night I didn't sleep at all, but last night I actually slept pretty good. Didn't wake up coughing. I didn't have, crazy stuff running through my head. I actually slept. And just some concealer, Makeup Revolution, a few dots. And patty pat, 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 pat. Let me check that under eye area. Make sure it is all nice and blended out. The AOA powder. Guys, this stuff is so good for $1. I know I've said it and said it, but it's really good for $1. So, just enough to lightly set that under eye. A little on the forehead. There's a fuzz in my eyelashes. Okay. And for the rest of the face, I'm going to go with Stay Matte. And those Wet n Wild brushes, guys. Look how beautiful. I hated getting it dirty. It is so soft. So soft. Okay, I wish that coffee would cool on down. I need a drink. I'm going to come back with, well, I want to try to use as many the bronzer. I don't usually use this shape. I've got a couple of them, but I don't usually use this shape. But we're going to try it because, you know, it came with a set. I do like that you can kind of get up in here and chisel around the hairline. I have emails coming in, okay. I go like right around the hairline because I don't need a whole lot at the hairline. And you can really kind of do that jawline. Nice. It's nice, guys. And if you didn't see my last video, I will link it down below. These are on sale at Walgreens if they're still on sale. I'm going to grab blush. Lord Geller, I'm trying to whiz through this kind of fast because I do have to go to work. I think this is my favorite one, the blush brush. This one and the powder brush. Pretty. And then the highlight brush actually looks like a giant eyeshadow brush. I want to test this and see if it's cooled down. This is my holiday mug. I got it at thrift store for like $1, but this is the one I used during the holidays. Still a little hot, but it's good. I've got pumpkin pie creamer in there. I'm just going to grab good old Jaclyn Hill because that's what's laying in front of me. And my Norvina. I'll slide her up into my use it drawer if she'll fit. Okay, eye primer, Shannon. We need eye primer. Slow down, girl. Slow down. It is Saturday. I will upload this later this evening. It'll probably be like 10 o'clock tonight before it goes up because I do have to work from 1. And my watch is right. I was thinking I had to be at work at 11. That's how my mind has been lately, guys. I was thinking I had to be at work till 1. Duh. That's just how my mind has actually been. And with the weather changing, I feel like, you know how you feel like it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it feels like it should be 10 o'clock at night. Okay, now. So that was the highlight brush. There's a couple of shadow brushes. That's the concealer brush. There is you. Am I missing one? You. So this was the concealer brush. It is like a big eyeshadow brush. I didn't use that one. These were the 3 shadow brushes. 2 fluffy ones and a flat one. And we're going to use them. This is the shorter, flat, or fluffy. I'm going to come up with, let's go with you today. And I didn't set my primer with anything. So what it is what it is. I was about to say, which one did I do? I'm just going to start crease shape here. I go kind of light today because I went kind of dark yesterday. Okay, same brush. I did green. I did these greens yesterday. This one and this one, I mixed them together. So today I might go more cranberry. So I think I might come into this one just a touch and start building up some color. These are so good. 2 taps, guys. 2 little bitty taps, and that's all it took. Build that up a little bit more. Got so much done at work yesterday. I am tired from it. I reworked the whole rug aisle, and that's a task. Let me tell you, that is a task. I'm going to switch over to that bigger fluffy brush. I did. I hated getting them dirty. Look at the tips. Just kind of, this is so soft. All right, and I'm going to come in with this one. So we're going to kind of do a cranberry. Just keeping that right there. Came over a little bit more with it on this side, so I'm just making them kind of more even. Gotta be even. All right, and I'm gonna grab that little shader brush. I'm gonna clean it off. First, I'm gonna come up to this highlight shade and just tuck that right there. Pretty, I'm telling you. And I'm going to grab this one and just mix them together. Tuck that right on the lid. And then we'll go up one of these pinks for the inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and take anything on that brush and just drag a little of it on my lower lash. And I think I'll go with this one. Maybe mix it with a little bit of this one. I'm all about mixing. Last few days, I'm like, let's just mix it together. See what we get. Alright, I really want that cranberry to pop, so I'm just going to come back with a little on my fingertip, and I'm going to grab that fluffy brush one last time, and just right there. Okay, the only thing this set didn't really give you is a liner brush. Let's get some more of this. It didn't give you like a liner, so. I would have been happy if they had foregone the fan brush, which I don't never really use a fan brush, but we'll use it for highlight today. And then like a liner brush. So I'm going to go into the Aesthetica. This was from Crafty. Be sure you check out her channel. I'll leave her link down below, but I'm going to go into this highlight shade. To me, fan brushes just don't pick up enough product. So I guess if you want like a very, very subtle, you know, highlight, fan brush would be the way to go. I mean, it gives you some highlight, but it's just very subtle. Okay, enough of that. What time we got? Yep. It's about that time to wind it up. Gotta get our shoes on. I gotta see if I can wear my black shoes. We have to wear black shoes, or if I can wear tennis shoes. Because usually, if it's a jean day, we can wear regular tennis shoes. They don't have to be black. And this is the Wet n Wild Mega Length. I love this mascara for $4. $4. I think it's under $4. Oh, I still need to do under my lashes. Let me use this big mirror for a minute. I don't want to poke myself. How is the weather in your area? I saw one of my friends on Facebook. She lives in Wisconsin. Hey, Raven, if you're watching this, I'm going to call you out. Hey, Raven. She got snow. She got snow. but usually she gets a lot of snow where she's at. But it's finally cooled down here. It's supposed to get down like 30-something degrees at night, and the leaves are finally changing, and there's finally cool, you know, cool air. Because we had like a heat snap at, you know, the first of autumn. It was crazy. I'm just going to take a little bit of the cocoa Vaseline. I always do this. And just put that on my lips, and then when I get to work, I actually put on like a lip gloss. What is left? Comb out my brows and do some eyeliner. e.l.f. brow gel. Just going to use the comb on that to... Guys, I was shaping my eyebrows with the razor, and if you've noticed it, there's a little nick right there. I took a little section out, but it'll grow back. It'll grow back. I'm going to grab... Ooh, this green might be interesting. This is the NYX Jewel Golden Olive. I actually like that green with that red. We're getting into the holidays. More emails are coming through. Let's just go ahead and do a little bit up here. I don't do my whole upper eyelid. I do about 2/3 of it. Mainly to just kind of open my eyes. I do like that olive green though with that cranberry. I'm gonna go spray my hair. And how do you guys like the white growing back out? Sound off down below. I know ladies pay over $100 to get that look. I have it free. Let me know down below how you're liking the natural color coming back. I just have this little bit left to cut out, and it'll be all natural again. And for my lippy, I have a couple in my, I always keep a couple in my purse. But I think that's it, guys. If you've got these brushes, let me know. The only one I did not use was the Kabuki, and I'm not going to use this for liquid foundation because I just don't want to get it that dirty. I don't. I'm serious. I will use it for powder, like powder foundation. But that was the only one other than the concealer brush that I didn't use. These are fantastic. I got them for $15 at Walgreens.com. Not sponsored. If they're still on sale, go check out the website because I got mine free ship to the store, and I just had to go pick it up at the store. But that is it. It's time to get my shoes on and do something with this. Head out the door. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure you check out the giveaway video for the bracelet. All that will be linked down below. I'll see you guys on the next one.